Oh, it's Monday morning, 25 past 8. Today we're on a unvented cylinder with an old system boiler to convert to a combi. Now, before you shoot me down in the comments, I have told the client the pros and cons of doing the above. They want the space. They say they don't particularly care for a stored amount of hot water that they're heating up every single day for the two of them and not use them. Each their own. I just get told what to do. I've just got the school run to do now and then make our way over to it. Let's get into it. Right, so here we are. This Vakira system boiler is going to be coming out, as well as that unvented cylinder. It's a shame, it's a Megaflow, it's one of the best. Gas is in 15 there, it's going to get upgraded to 22. A lot of the pipes drop under the floor. 15mm circs to the cylinder, not ideal. Got the old man in on this one, the man who taught me all I know. Hey, where's he gone? The beauty about being small, eh? There was absolutely no room in this cupboard whatsoever. The old one off now. There's our new template for the wall. Always wear your PPE when messing with an angle grinder. Do as I say, not as I do. This diamond blade that I've had in this angle grinder must be 8 years old. Probably due a new one. Well, it's definitely due a new one. Tried to do it all fancy and screw them all up in one clip, but can't do it one-handed. Oh well, can't say I didn't try. Little progress update on this one. Sparky's in tomorrow. Well, he's actually in today, but not in this room to rewire, move all these cables. If I've got them in, if my pipe's in the way, it's tough luck, isn't it? Removed all this old wiring. That's on a flex going into the spot. It should be twin and earth, I believe. But again, not my forte. There's our hot and cold to a shower, I believe, on the other side. Gas is in. Filter's on. It's wired up. Just needs some pressure in. And the blow off to finish. I'm going to run around there and up. Not turned the hot on yet. Well, the cold feed to the boiler. But it can go on. And I have the flue to finish. Just loads of little finicky bits. Don't know who put that on backsy, but must have been having a good day. Top tip. Making sure your 90s that are 90. Use the door case. It's normally about right. I'm just running through the commissioning process now. That's the old man is cutting out the condensate core. Wish I got a white elbow for that, but we didn't have one, only black, which is coming to a close now. Just need to flush her out and get the lagging on. Demonstrate to the customer how to use it. I was going to clip that up, but like I said, the spark is going to sort all that out, I hope. And an earth bonding on the gasket, it's not got one. It has got a bonding clamp on the water, but it's doing nothing. I'm sorry guys, that video ended a bit bluntly. I didn't get as much as I wanted to get recorded. You also might notice the water meter on that next to the stop tap, so that boiler should have had a shock arrestor, to which it does, but it's behind the washing machine. I suspect they've had issues with water hammer on the washing machine in the past. What else do you need? Carbon monoxide alarm on all new installs. It had one of them, again didn't video it. Just trying to iron out these questions. Don't forget to like the video if you haven't already done so by now. If you made it this far, thank you very much. Dislike it if you don't. Hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell. Thank you very much.